Hey loves, today's look is soft, artsy, and a little golden magic. Let's go. First, I'm applying a glittery top coat on a white nail. It has a sparkle underneath. Now a layer of matte top coat. This helps us paint easily with watercolor. I'm painting a 5-petal flower with black watercolor. Place color with a wet brush, then use a dry one to control water and shape the design. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Using the same technique, add some leaves and branches too. Using gold metallic shell to highlight the flower center and add a soft golden touch to some parts. And finally, I'm sealing everything with a glossy top coat to finish off the look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.